Good morning, children. The last class we learned about the basics lines of geometry, what is point, what is line segment, and what is ray, and also types of angles and types of lines. So these are all topics already we learned in the last class. Now we are going to learn about the two important angles. One is complementary. What is the angles? Complementary angles. This is the new topic in this lesson, complementary angles. So we know that what is an angle? An angle is made up of two rays. An angle is made up of two rays. So okay, angle form అవ్వాలి అంటే గనక మనకి two rays కావాలి. Here which type of angles these are is complementary angles. What is complementary angles means? The sum of two angles is 90 degrees. That is called a complementary angles. Two angles గనక 90 degrees అయితే వాటిని మనం complementary angles అంటాం. Suppose see here, I am giving examples here. Suppose one angle is 60 degrees and the second angle is 30 degrees. When we add these two angles, 60 plus 30, what we get here? 90 degrees. So these two angles are called complementary angles. These two angles are called complementary angles. How to draw the angles are, suppose 60 degrees is this one. This is 60 degrees and this is 30 degrees. Only estimate, not exact measurement this one, only estimate. This is 60 degrees and this is 30 degrees angles. The two angles are called complementary angles. So what is that angle? Complementary angles. So which angles are called complementary angles means the sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Such angles are called complementary angles. Two angles తీసుకొని వాటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే 90 degrees వస్తే when we get 90 degrees, such angles are called complementary angles. See here 60 plus 30. So I will explain one more example also. Suppose one angle is 70 degrees and what is the another angle? 20 degrees. 70 plus 20, 90. So these two angles are also complementary angles. Suppose one angle is 80 degrees and another angle is 10 degrees. This is also, this pair is also a complementary angles. Pair means rendu undali, two angles undali kada. So suppose the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, such angles are called complementary angles. So these are all examples of complementary angles. So complementary angles అవ్వాలంటే ఖచ్చితంగా two angles undali. The two angles sum is 90 degrees. Such angles are called complementary angles. Suppose one more example, 50 plus 40. This is also a one pair. And suppose 30 plus 60. This is also a complementary angles. అన్ని ఇలాగే అనుకోకుండా 25 plus 65. See, this is also a 90 degrees. So this is also one pair, one examples of complementary. Complementary means the sum of two angles is 90 degrees. Such angles are called complementary angles. So when we observe the textbook page number 70, you have the definition. See, the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees is called complementary angles. So how to draw the complementary angles means, if they are given like this, suppose this is 70, this is 20. Is it complementary angles? Yes, these two, sum of two angles are 70 plus 20 is 90 degrees. So these two angles are also called complementary angles. Complementary angles means the sum of two angles are 90 degrees is called a complementary angles. See exercise 2, page number 71. Page number 71, exercise 2. Exercise 2. What are the first examples? They given three sums. See the first example. They given like this. This is 110 degrees and this is 30 degrees. Here I am not write the definition. You see the textbook page number 70 and write in the classwork definition. Above the textbook they have the definition, you write in the classwork. Okay, so this is they given in one box. So this is one angle and another angle is 30. Is it a complementary angle or not? So first we have to add the two angles. 110 plus 30. 110 plus 30. What is the total? 140. Is it forming a complementary angles? Is it forming a complementary angles? No. The total is not 90, so it is not a complementary angle. So you have to write not complementary angles. And see the second example. This is 90. Sorry, I am only drawing rough diagram here. And this is 90. 90 plus 90. 90 plus 90 is 180 degrees. So these two are also a complementary angles. When we observe the third sum, 80 plus 10, that is also total is 90. So that is also a complementary angle. So what is complementary angles means? The sum of two angles is 90 degrees is called a complementary angles. So come to the second sum. How to find out when they given one angle, how to find out the another complementary angle. If they given second Roman C, find complements of the given angles, find the complementary angles of the following. They given only one angle, 25 degrees. How to find out the another angle? How to find out the another angle? So here, how to find out the another angle is, we know that the complementary angles, the total complementary angles is 90 degrees. Manaku telusu complementary angles rendu కలిపి ఎంత ఉండాలి? 90 degree ఉండాలి. So therefore the other angle is equal to we have to subtract the angle from 90. ఎందుకు 90 నుంచే మనం సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి అంటే the two angles are complementary. Complementary అని అనగానే మనకు మైండ్ లో the both angles are 90 అని వచ్చేయాలి. So here they given only 25. So when we subtract from 90, how to get here? So 65 is the another angle. మీరు ఇంకా చెక్ చేసుకుంటే 65 plus 25. You got 90. So these two are complementary angles. So how to find out the another complementary angle means you have to subtract from 90 degrees when they given one angle. See the second Roman also 40 degrees. So 90 lonchi 40 minus cheste we get 50. So other angle is 50 degrees. Alage 89. 90 lonchi 89 minus cheste manaki 1 degree. 1 is also an angle. So the another angle is 1 degree. So like that you have to complete the second Roman. So this is the example sum how to do the second Roman. When they given one angle, you have to write what is the other angle is equal to, where we subtract from 90 you have to subtract. Why we subtract 90 means the complementary angles are 90 degrees. So that's why we have to subtract from 90. So this is about the second Roman. And what is the third Roman? See, two angles are complement to each other and also equal. Find them. First you have to understand the question. Read the question. What is two angles are complementary. Two angles are complementary but the two angles are equal. Find them. రెండు angles ని కలిపితే మనకి complementary angles వస్తాయంట, కానీ రెండు angles కూడా ఈక్వల్. ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. మనకి లాజికల్ సమ్స్ అన్నమాట. సో బోత్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద యాంగిల్స్ we have to say, మనం ఆల్జీబ్రా లో చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా, తెలియని దాన్ని అన్నోన్ క్వాంటిటీని we have to say x or y or z. So the angles is equal to x degrees రెండు మనకు తెలియదు కానీ బట్ బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్ అని ఇచ్చాడు. సో we have to say xx. సో x plus x రెండు కలిపితే ఎంత రావాలి మనకి? 90. Why the 90? Both angles are complementary angles. So x plus x, xx, 2x is equal to 90. See here we find out the x value. So here 2 is multiplicating here. So when we transpose to other side, it will become by 2. రెండు ఇక్కడ ఇంటూ చేస్తుంది. We have to transpose to that side. It will be by 2. So 290 45 times. So x is equal to 45. So when we observe 45 plus 45 how much? 90 degrees. So 45 both are same. So what are the angles is 45 degrees. So what are the two angles? 45 degrees. So what is the question? The two angles are equal and also complementary. Find them. So we say xx. When we add the xx, we get 2x. 2x is equal to 90 degrees. When we find the x value, you got the 45 degrees. So x is equal to 45 degrees. See here the fourth one. Manasa says each angle in a pair of complementary angles are acute. Two acute angles, sorry. Complementary angles lo two angles acute angles avvacha? Yes, of course. Suppose if you say 80 degrees, fourth question. Yes. Why it? Because 80 degrees is acute angle and 10 degrees is also a acute angle. When we add 80 plus 10, this is 90. So this is a complementary angle. Suppose if you take 70 plus 20, 70 plus 20 is also a 90 degrees. So both are acute angles. So eppudu kuda acute angles avutayi. Complementary angles eppudu kuda the two angles are always acute angles only. So what is Manasa saying here is correct. Each angle in any pair of complementary angles are acute. Eppudu complementary angles lo eppudu kuda acute avutayi. Suppose if you take obtuse angle తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది? Suppose if you take 100 is a obtuse angle, 100 and another angle is 20. What is the total here? 100 plus 20, 120. Is it a complementary angle? So any obtuse angles not forming a complementary angle. When complementary angles are formed, the two angles are acute. The time situation is only obtained the complementary angle. So exercise 2 is complete. First Roman, which angles are complementary? Second Roman, find the other complementary angle. And third sum already we done. What are the equal complementary angles? And fourth one, what Manasa saying is correct or not? Yes, Manasa, the statement is correct. Why? Because the two angles are acute angles only. So what is the next one is supplementary angles. The next one is supplementary angles. So first one is complementary, another one is the supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. So what are supplementary angles means? In oka example draw chestan chudandi here. One is 120 degrees, another one is 60 degrees. When we observe the two angles, one is 120 and another one is the 60. Here also we are taking one pair angles. So 120, 60. What is the total amount? 120 plus 60. The total amount is 180. So these two angles are called supplementary angles. So how do we call supplementary angles? Means the sum of two angles is 180 degrees is called a supplementary angles. The sum of two angles is 180 degrees is called a supplementary angles. Complementary ki reverse anamata. Complementary means 90 degrees undali, supplementary ante manaki 180 degrees undali. So how can we identify the supplementary angles? Means when we taking the two angles total is 180 degrees. So that is called a supplementary angle. Supplementary angles form avali ante రెండు angles manaki total amount ఎంత ఉండాలి మనకి 180 degrees undali. So if you get 180 degrees, the two angles are supplementary angles. So these two angles 120 plus 60. ఈ ఒక్క పేరే ఉంటుందా 120 60 ఒకటేనా ఇంకా ఏమైనా ఉండొచ్చా ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అంటే here so many examples also there. What are in textbook they are asking write any 5 examples of supplementary. Suppose if you take 110 70 both are 180. This is a one pair of supplementary. Suppose 130 50. This is also one pair. And 150 plus 30. This is also another pair. So there are so many angles. If you take any two angles, the total product is 180. So that is called a supplementary angle. Supplementary angles means the sum of two angles is 180 degrees is called a supplementary angles. So when we come to the exercise 3, see the first Roman page number Exercise 3. These are very small topics, that's why I am giving examples only. Exercise 3, page number 73. See, first Roman, which one is supplementary? When we observe the first sum, first Roman, 110 and 70. Both are supplementary. Why? Because when we add these two, you get 180 degrees. So, first one is a supplementary angles. And second one, 90 plus 90. That is also a supplementary angles. And come to the third one, 50 plus 140. 140 plus 50, how much? 190. That is more than 180. So, third one is not forming a supplementary angles. Come to the second Roman. మనం ఇంతకు ముందు చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 2 లో ఎలాగా second Roman, how to find out the another angle. Suppose they given 105 degrees, find out the another supplementary angle. What is the other? You write supplementary angle. How to find out the other supplementary angle? So how to find out in the last class, in the last topic, how to find out the complement angle? You have to subtract from 90. Why? Because complementary angles means 90 degrees. So here supplementary angles means 180. That's why we have to subtract from 180. 180 minus 105. 185 minus 105, that is 75 degrees. So 180 లోంచి 105 కనుక మనం మైనస్ చేసినట్టయితే కనుక 75 degrees is the another angle. So another supplement angle మనం find out చేయాలంటే దేంట్లోంచి మైనస్ చేయాలి? 180 లోంచి మైనస్ చేయాలి. See, the next one is 95. 180 minus 95, what you get the answer? That is the another supplement angle. So the remaining also you can do. And third one, two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angles. రెండు acute angles ఎప్పుడు supplementary angles ని ఫామ్ చేస్తాయా చెయ్యవా? Suppose if you take the example third one, what are the acute angles? Acute angles means below 90 degrees. Tell me any two acute angles. 80 plus 30. 80 plus 30, how much? 110. Is it supplementary angles? No. Suppose if you take 80 plus 70 తీసుకుందాం పోనీ. 80 plus 70. That is also 150. అది కూడా మనకి 180 రాలేదు. See, in any situation, if you take two acute angles, it is not formed a supplementary angle. Supplementary angles form అవ్వవు. Two acute angles అయినప్పుడు కంపల్సరీ one is obtuse angle అయి ఉండాలి and another one is acute angle అవి ఉండొచ్చు. Suppose 110 70, 110 is a obtuse angle and 70 is a acute angle. So supplementary angles, when supplementary angles are formed, one is obtuse and another one is the acute angle. The two acute angles are not formed a supplementary angles. See the fourth question, two angles are equal. ఇక్కడ కూడా మనం algebra use చేస్తాం. Two angles are equal. So the angles are, say what are the angles? The angles are, we say xx. అనుకుంటాం రెండు యాంగిల్స్ సమానంగా ఉన్నాయి అని. But what is the given in the problem? X plus x is equal to 180. Why it is 180? Because it is a supplementary angle. Supplementary అనగానే మనకి ఏం రావాలి మైండ్ లో? 180 అని చెప్పేసి రావాలి. So supplementary means 180. X plus x, 2x is equal to 180 degrees. So x is equal to, the 2 is multiplicating here, when we transpose that side 180, ఇక్కడ 2 into చేస్తే by the rule of transposing by 2 అవుతుంది. 2 180 లో 90 times, 90 2s are 180. So x is equal to 90. So ఒకటి 90 అంటే another కూడా 90 కదండి. 90 plus 90 180. So the two angles also same and also supplementary. So these are the supplementary angles. Supplementary means 180 degrees, complementary means 90 degrees. So what is the next one is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. So this is the next one is adjacent angles. We continue this topic in the next class. So I hope you have to do exercise 2 and exercise 3 completely. Thank you.